Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish, and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past. You ruin everything and nothing.
Right, it is a Mask Monday. Like all Mask Mondays, this is in collaboration with Beauty Ninjas, and there will be a playlist in the description box. Go check it out when you're done here and see what everybody else has going on for their Mask Mondays. Today we have the Face Shop The Solution Advanced Firming Face Mask. Right here. This is what we got. And we got this from Renee. And it says leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. So we're going to stick this on our face and then we're going to get to business. Alright, let's get into the Eyescream Beauty bag. So it says that you get 3 to 5 items in the bag, and it used to be that you got 5 items in the bag, and now it seems every month we only get 3 items in the bag. So let's see. The first thing, we're going to go from the bottom to the top. The first thing we have is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Smoothing Primer. And that is what it looks like. HD Smoothing Primer. Alright, well, we can try that out. The next thing we got is this Base Blue Cosmetics Summer Highlighter. This retails for $20. This says it retails for $25. Says the Wonder Begins right here. It is looking like it, yeah, it is. It is crushed. It is completely destroyed. It probably would have helped if they had packaged it in more than this and kind of loosely inside the bag. And it's not like I like Base Blue as a company or I'm impressed by any of their products, but it's kind of, you know, I pay for a box and then I get something that's broken. And this looks like a TJ Maxx find. It even has the little hanger on it. So now we're getting TJ Maxx stuff. That's fun. We have the Rachel Couture Rachel Select Eyeshadow Palette. It says it is valued at $20. Yeah, this is definitely a TJ Maxx kind of thing. That's something you're going to find at one of those stores. So overall, as far as the bag goes, I'm not impressed. And it seems like the value to me is going down with the bag. Especially if they're no longer actually taking care to package their stuff nicely. So there's that. Alright. Moving on, we have the Eyescream Beauty Box. This is supposed to get 5 to 7 items. But again, we're always looking at 5 items. Usually. Alright, so we have the card. And we are going to go from the bottom to the top. We do have a little better packaging in this box. So we have the Brush and Mini Sponge Set by Base Blue Cosmetics, valued at $17. This is the little tiny sponge. And this is the brush. Comes in a little carrier case thingy here, like a little travel case. And that is what That's what she looks like. Not really impressed with that, but it's a brush and a sponge. It is what it is. Okay, the value of that was $17. Flawless application starts with the right tools. And this brush and mini sponge set delivers. The brush set is soft, or the brush is soft and versatile, great for applying powder, blush, or bronzer. It also comes with a great case, which makes it great for taking it on vacation. The mini sponge is perfect for precise blending in smaller areas like under the eyes or around the nose. Together, they make the ultimate travel-friendly duo for touch-ups on the go. Cute, compact, and super effective. Sure. Alright, then we have another Rachel Couture item, and that is the Mocha Lip Gloss Duo by Rachel Couture, valued at $22. I would value it at $7. There's no way that's valued at $22. I'm sorry, that's just not. It, really? There's nothing special about this. Wet n Wild has better products than what this is, I'm sure. And I don't know. Maybe I'm just salty. I don't know. Not a big lip gloss fan. But it is what it is. Okay. Rachel Couture Lip Duo contains a sheer lip gloss on one end and a clear lip gloss on the other. This lip duo is non-sticky and delivers unbeatable silkiness and shine, luxuriously formulated with natural minerals to keep lips looking and feeling healthy, vegan, non-toxic, and cruelty-free. I'm sorry, these are items you get at TJ Maxx in the little discount section, where things are priced at $7, $4, $5, things like that. Now, that's what I would pay for it, because that's about the value of it. But not $22. Alright, so the next thing on the list is the Elite Multi-Chrome Gel Eyeliner by Illuminati Cosmetics, valued at $21. Line your eyes with bold color shifting magic using this multi-chrome gel eyeliner. The creamy formula glides on with ease, delivering intense pigment and a smooth, smudge-resistant finish. This icy silver to blue to light green shade is stunning, perfect for adding a unique twist to your everyday look or enhancing a dramatic eye. Get ready to sparkle from every angle. Now, Illuminati is a brand that you would find coming from like Ipsy, and I have things from this brand. Has a smudger on one end, and that is the shade. My other Illuminati eyeliner works fairly well, so we will be giving this a try. Alright, then from Ofra Cosmetics we have Candy Apple Blush, valued at $29, and I always like a good blush. Okay, sweeten up your cheeks with this juicy blush that is as bold as it is blendable. Ofra's silky formula glides on effortlessly, delivering a radiant flush that's perfect for summer. Build it up for a statement look or keep it soft for a natural glow. Infused with skin-loving ingredients, this blush melts into the skin for a seamless finish. It's the ultimate treat for your complexion. Alright. So it's a blush from Ofra. That's good. We like blush. Alright, and the last thing in the box is Multi-Chromes Palette by Charmacy Global, $30 each. Now, Charmacy is a private label brand, and I beg to differ with the value of that. Charmacy is one of those brands that you can get the same thing on Temu, and It'll work just exactly the same. And you'll pay $3-4 for it. They're not a brand that like makes their own stuff. They just kind of, they either order it pre-made, like it's already a palette pre-made, or the shades are pre-made, and they order them in a specific layout. Doesn't mean that they're not good, but it does mean that if they're paying what they're paying for these, I'm not paying $30 for a small 9-pan palette, and it doesn't matter if they're multi-chromes or not. It doesn't matter how good they are. They're making hand over fist on this product. So, I could probably get this off of Alibaba, AliExpress, Temu, and it's not, that was the number one. So they have 01, the other one has 02 on it. These aren't anything special, that's what I'm saying. You can get it for a couple of bucks off of Temu. I'm really, really tempted to cancel Eyescream Beauty Box. Their value to me has gone down quite a bit. They don't put as much thought as they used to into what they're giving you. It's like they're just finding the cheapest stuff they possibly can and throwing it in a box and saying, here, be happy that we gave you some makeup. Well, if I wanted them, if I wanted to work with a company like that, or get stuff from a company like that, I could just always go to Ipsy. Ipsy does that just fine. They've been doing it for years. So I don't know. It's, I mean, I'll use these. Maybe I might throw them in a giveaway. They're not anything that I'm so excited about. The thing I would be most excited about is the blush. That's it. I'll use this eyeliner. I'll use the blush. I may or may not use the primer. I may or may not use the multi-chrome palettes. I'm not going to use the other palette. I'm not going to use the brush or the sponge. I'm not going to use the lip gloss. And of course, I'm not going to use the highlighter because it's smashed. Because they can't even be bothered anymore to pack it nicely. I'm very disappointed in Eyescream Beauty Box, Beauty Bag, whatever it is. And I am really tempted to cancel. I think their quality has gone downhill exponentially since they raised their prices. And I don't want to pay more for less. I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's worth it to me. So I guess check back in next month to see if I canceled or not. I mean, I'm grandfathered in with my price. So there's that. But is that worth me giving them a few months to screw around and give me crap? To see if maybe in a couple of months they'll pick back up and start being good again? I've got quite a bit of makeup. So for me, I don't know if that value is going to be there. I don't know that it's going to be worth holding on a few months to see if it gets better. Because I keep telling myself every month, oh, well, you know, that's so they had a bad month. They'll get better next month. But if for 4 months in a row, there's not really anything I'm excited about, and they give you crap like this that you pay $4 for at the TJ Maxx, this is ridiculous. It even has the thing on it where you would hang it on the... Really? I don't know that I'm going to continue getting the box. I guess I will figure it out with you. You will figure it out next month if I have this to show or not. I don't know. Anyways. The mask was amazing. At least there's that. It smells lemony and herbally. Kind of nice. Feels great. So, at least there's that. Alright. I'm going to go figure out whether I'm tired and cranky or if I actually have a reason to be grumpy about this. I suppose for somebody who doesn't have much makeup, this would be great. But I have makeup. And I don't know, I don't see the point in paying for a box that gives me a bunch of stuff I'm not going to use. I mean, out of the whole thing, I'm gonna use the eyeliner for sure and the blush for sure, and that's it. That's the only for sure things I'm keeping out of the box and the bag. That's 8 items. Out of 8 items, I'm keeping 2. That doesn't seem like a good trade to me. So I will stop griping. I probably won't stop complaining, but I will stop griping to you about it. All right. This is a collab with the Beauty Ninjas, like I said. The playlist is in the description box below. Go check out and see what everybody else has going on, because we all got something different going on, it seems, every Mask Monday. So go check everybody else out, and go ahead and like and comment, subscribe. All that stuff is below as well. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the